CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Hey everyone, it's Car Help Out here, a simple way to get an independent certified mobile mechanic service to come to you at any location at your convenience, either for pre-purchase used vehicle buying inspection, auto car repair, emergency roadside assistance, who can help you get back on the road again. And today we're talking about how to get the best mobile Hyundai mechanic auto car repair near me, independent car inspection, and certified roadside assistance, keeping your Hyundai on the road and running smoothly. Hyundais are known for their reliability and value, but like any car, they need their fair share of TLC, such as Hyundai AutoRepairnearme. That's why today, we're diving deep into the world of mobile Hyundai mechanics. We'll cover the benefits of choosing a mobile mechanic, pre-purchase inspections, emergency roadside assistance, common Hyundai repairs, and how to find the best Hyundai mechanic near me for your Hyundai. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with all the knowledge you need to keep your Hyundai happy, healthy, and out of the shop. So buckle up, grab your favorite beverage, and let's get started. Hyundai, built for efficiency, reliability, and comfort. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/car help out and get a relief under house burden.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
All right, so you're cruising down the road, enjoying the smooth ride of your Hyundai, and then bam, that dreaded check engine light pops on. We've all been there. Hyundai repair shops. Your heart sinks. You start thinking about the hassle of finding a mechanic, taking time off work, and the potential dent in your wallet. But what if I told you there's a better way? Enter the mobile Hyundai mechanic. These automotive heroes bring the shop to you, saving you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. First off, convenience. They come to you, whether you're at home, at work, or even stranded on the side of the road. Get Hyundai repairs near me. Second, you get certified expertise. Many mobile mechanics specialize in specific makes and models, including Hyundais. And here's the kicker: lower costs. Mobile mechanics often have lower overhead than traditional shops, which means they can pass those savings on to you. Plus, no towing fees. It's a win-win situation. Think about it. No more rearranging your schedule, no more wasting time in waiting rooms, and potentially saving some cash along the way. Mobile mechanics are changing the game, and trust me, once you go mobile, you'll never go back.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
All right, folks, let's talk about one of the most important things you can do when buying a used Hyundai, the pre-purchase inspection. I cannot stress this enough. This is a non-negotiable step, especially if you want to avoid any nasty surprises down the road with Hyundai Highway Driving Assist. Imagine this. You find the perfect used Hyundai Sonata online. It's got low mileage, it's in your price range, and you're already picturing yourself cruising down the highway. But hold your horses, my friend, because looks can be deceiving. That's where the pre-purchase Hyundai car inspection cost swoops in to save the day. This comprehensive inspection, ideally performed by a qualified independent Hyundai mechanic near me, will give you a complete picture of the car's health both inside and out. We're talking about a thorough engine and transmission check, a brake and suspension inspection, battery and electrical system diagnostics, and even a computer scan to detect any hidden gremlins. They'll also give the interior and exterior a once-over, checking everything from the air conditioning to the infotainment system to the overall condition of the body Hyundai inspection. And, of course, no inspection is complete without a test drive to make sure everything feels right on the road. So, before you hand over your hard-earned cash for that used Hyundai, do yourself a favor and get that pre-purchase inspection by certified Hyundai mechanic. Your wallet will thank you later.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Chapter 3. Hyundai Emergency Roadside Assistance. Your lifeline on the road. Picture this. You're driving down a deserted highway late for an important meeting when suddenly, bam, flat tire. Or maybe your battery decides to call it quits in the middle of nowhere. We've all been there. And let me tell you, it's not a fun experience. But fear not, my friends, because that's where Hyundai Roadside Assistance comes in to save the day. This invaluable service is like having a guardian angel watching over you and your certified Hyundai mechanic near me, ready to swoop in and help you out of any sticky situation. Whether you've got a flat tire, a dead battery, you've run out of gas, or you've managed to lock yourself out of your car, we can help you at Car Help Out Independent Certified Local Mobile Mechanic Service to come to you at any location at your convenience, for your roadside assistance has got you covered. They'll dispatch a friendly and skilled technician to your location to get you back on the road as quickly and safely as possible. And if your Hyundai needs more serious attention, they'll even tow it to a certified repair shop, so you don't have to worry about a thing. So next time you're hitting the road in your trusty Hyundai, remember that you can get our independent certified local mobile mechanic service to come to you at any location. For your emergency roadside assistance is just a phone call away.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Chapter 4. Common Hyundai Repairs. Keeping your car in tip-top shape. All right, folks, let's face it. Even the most reliable cars need automotive repair from time to time, and your Hyundai is no exception. But don't worry, I'm not talking about anything too scary. Just like us, cars need regular checkups and maintenance to stay healthy, and knowing what to look out for can save you a lot of headaches and money in the long run. So, let's dive into some of the most common Hyundai repairs that our trusty Hyundai certified mechanic handle on a daily basis. First up, we've got brake service. If you're hearing any squeaking, grinding, or if your car pulls to one side when you brake, it's definitely time to get those brakes checked out. Next on the list is battery and electrical repairs. A weak battery or a faulty alternator can leave you stranded in a heartbeat, so it's important to keep an eye on those. Of course, we can't forget about hours of open, like regular week, include Saturday, Sunday, weekend holiday changes for car maintenance, repairs, pre-purchase inspection, as well as emergency roadside assistance. These are crucial for keeping your engine running smoothly and efficiently for years to come. And then there's the suspension and steering. If your ride feels a little rough, or if you're noticing any strange noises when you turn the wheel, it might be time to check your shocks, struts, or tie rods. And last but not least, let's not forget about the AC and heating system. If your AC isn't blowing cold or your heater isn't warming you up, it's time to get that looked at as well. Remember, regular maintenance is key to a long and happy life for your Hyundai. Catch those minor issues early on before they turn into major headaches. Car Help Out Independent Certified Mobile Mechanic Service to come to you at any location at your convenience.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Well, folks, that's it for today. We've covered a lot of ground, from the convenience and affordability of mobile mechanics to the importance of pre-purchase inspections and the peace of mind that comes with Hyundai's emergency roadside assistance. Remember, taking care of your Hyundai doesn't have to be a chore. With the right knowledge and the right mechanic by your side, you can keep your Hyundai running smoothly for years to come. Before we wrap up, CarHelpo.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more car care tips and automotive adventures. Until next time, drive safe, have fun, and keep those Hyundais rolling.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.